YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. You hear me talk? YaadMan up in a Farrin. You hear me talk? YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Big up every yard girl, YaadMan. Stepping on the street, Clark's Jordan. YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin.
Wagwan people, it's yours truly, 876 by birth, with another episode of YaadMan up in a Farrin. Yeah, right now we're there, one place in New York City them called Bowling Green, and we're about to catch a Staten Island Ferry. Zin? Alright, so here it run every 30 minutes. So I could see how close we get to it and see if we can catch that one here though. Alright.
If you are taping me, I would lock you.
Where in the Caribbean you from?
Yeah? I'm GT, man.
Oh, I'm Jamaican.
Oh,
It's all love, man.
one love.
Alright, my boss. Okay, my boss. yeah. Okay, so right now, we're see over there. We're about to board the ferry. So, journey with me, I'm going to see where I'm going. We're going inside now the waiting area, alright? Cool. Alright people, so we've been away for a while right now, and yeah, at 9 o'clock, so one of the ferry them supposed to there, hence why everybody is here crowd the door. So we're gonna go up on it and see how the city look from on the river, right? Alright. So we're now approaching the dock, and this is why everyone is crowding the exits. Like, New Yorkers are something else still, you know. Like, I've been observing New Yorkers for a couple of years now, and you guys are really something else, but that's for a different video. Shout out to all New Yorkers, you know. Yeah, big up on yourself, all right. Okay guys, so we're off the ferry and we're now officially on Staten Island. We're still at the dock and it has a waiting area as well, you know, where you could get like snacks, juice, and maybe a sandwich. So come on, let's go check it out.
Hello. Wait, this thing?
1275.
How much?
1275.
Is it 2075? 12. Oh, 12. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So to exit the dock, you would have to go up this ramp. So if it is that you're going to be taking public transportation or someone is going to come and pick you up, this is where you'd have to go. And you have multiple ramps, all right? This is just one of them that takes you outside onto the island, all right? So come on, let's go. Okay guys, looking out on the water right now, that's another ferry passing us by. So it's the same as this one, alright? So just in case you were wondering how it looks from a distance, there you go. right now in our view, that's the Statue of Liberty. Now, if it is that you want to get really close to the statue, then you have boats that do charter services. All right, so they take you up really close to the statue and stuff. And for all of you guys that love to take pictures and selfies, you know, that's a perfect opportunity, right? Yeah, and I think there's even a tour that you could go on, that you get off the boat and go on that little island that the statue is on, and yeah, take a tour. Also guys, you have helicopter tours where they take you around the city in a helicopter and they take you out to the Statue of Liberty. Yes, that should be epic, right? And you can expect a video from me like that, trust me. All right, and back on the city, like in the city, they have bus tours where, you know, those topless buses, you can take a ride on one of those buses around the city. So just like every other city, you know, you could go for a tour and stuff, you know. So yeah, I mean, this is just a vibe, guys. It's just a vibe. All right. As we get closer to the city, you're now able to see a section that they refer to as the financial district of New York City. So that's where you can find like Wall Street and those places, you know. And if you look closely to the right of the screen, that building that seems to have like a pole on top, that's actually the One World Trade Center. So that's the building that they built to replace the Twin Towers, okay? Hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.
YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. You hear me talk? YaadMan up in a Farrin. You hear me talk? YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. Big up every yard girl, YaadMan. Stepping on the street, clocks, Jordan. YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. YaadMan up in a Farrin. Up in a Farrin. up in a Farrin.